Hey guys, so we have a problem to solve. 3 friends share 21 pieces of candy. How many pieces will each friend get? So we have 3 friends sharing 21 pieces of candy. So whenever I hear a story of people sharing or splitting something into equal groups, that makes me think of division. Okay, so I'm thinking of division. Let's see. It's either going to be this equation or this one. Choose the right equation. So it has to be 21 split into 3 groups, because we can't split 3 of something into 21 groups, right? When we have a division equation, we have to start with our largest number. That is the number that we're splitting into equal groups. Now, today, when we solve these types of equations, instead of just having a blank here, we are going to use a letter instead of our blank. So I'm thinking the friends are sharing candy. So I'm going to use the letter C. 21 divided by 3 equals C. Now it's time for me to solve. I can split 21 into 3 equal groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. And each group has 7. So C is 7. Our answer is 7. Each friend gets 7 pieces of candy. All right, we're going to solve more problems. And when we have the number that we're solving for, our unknown number, instead of just a blank, we are going to use a letter. All right, let's continue. All right, so now we don't have a story to go with this problem, but that's all right because we have our equation. So we know that there are 4 groups of, we'll say, I just had some in my soup. We'll go with Ritz crackers. 4 groups of Ritz crackers give us 24 all together. So we need to see how many Ritz are in each group. So I'm thinking, I know we have 4 groups of Ritz. So how many equal groups do we have? Exactly, 4 equal groups. We have 4 equal groups. And what number are we getting? What number do we have total? The 4 equal groups gives us 24 total. So we can do this method, right, where we add 1 at a time until we stop at 24. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to have you continue to do the rest, okay? Do the rest, and then we'll say what R equals. Yeah. R equals 6. 4 groups of 6 equals 24 all together. Nice. Let's do one more. All right. We have 50 split into m gives us 5, right? Because division means split into. 50 split into m groups gives us 5. All right? I want you to try to solve the problem. What does m equal? All right, let's see. So I know, okay, 50 divided by blank groups gives us 5. So what I can do is I could solve it like this. I could just keep adding groups of 5 until I get to 50, right? Because 50 is where we start with. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. And I count how many groups we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. M equals 10. Or, here's where that commutative property comes in. I could have just done 50 split into 5 groups, 5 boxes, right, instead of 10. And then when I do that, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. It's a nice 10 fact to work with. That's another way I could have solved the problem, okay? But either way, the answer, m equals 10. All right, guys, good work. You are now going to work on your problem set in your blue book. Then you have your exit ticket, and then you'll be done. All right? Get to work, mathematicians.